Hey guys, are you want to buy best drones under $500? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best drones under $500 that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at DJI Mini 2 drone. DJI Mini 2 drone is a great choice for anyone looking for a tiny, powerful drone that's packed with features. Its compact and convenient design makes it easy to take with you on adventures, while its 4K camera and 3-axis motorized gimbal deliver stunning image quality that's smooth no matter how far your adventures take you. Plus, it supports up to 10 of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, so you can see clearly and fly farther. The Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, making it stable enough to capture great footage even in windy conditions or high above the trees. Plus, with quick shots you can automatically record and shoot professional-level videos to share directly on social media with just a few taps. If you're looking for a tiny, powerful drone that's easy to use and produces impressive results, the DJI Mini 2 is the perfect choice for you. Now our second product is DJI Mavic Mini Combo. DJI Mavic Mini drone is a great camera drone that offers superior stability and smooth footage. It is easy to fly with the DJI Fly app and can be flown without having to register it with the government in the United States and Canada. Although its flight time could be longer, it still offers more than enough time to capture beautiful moments. If you're looking for an innovative way to capture your surroundings, the DJI Mavic Mini drone is a great option. Our third product is Ruco Felivan GM2 drone. Ruco Felivan GM2 drone is a high-quality drone with great features. The 4K camera and 2-axis gimbal provide clear and stable video and picture quality, while the 5x zoom function allows you to get detailed shots from a distance. The 3 intelligent batteries provide up to 28 minutes of flight time each, and the GPS auto return home function ensures a safe flight. The brushless motor is powerful and provides a stable flight, while the app provides a simple and easy-to-use interface. The user manual and quick start guide help you get started quickly and easily, and the clear instructions and helpful training videos provide everything you need to know to get started. Now number 4, Holystone HS720E. Holystone HS720E drone is a great purchase for anyone looking for an advanced drone that captures superior image quality. VIS technology reduces video blurring, while the 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures longer and smoother image transmission. The air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system make it easy to use, and the GPS location ensures you can find it if it gets lost. And our last choice is BYN-F7 drones. The BYN-F7 drone is a top-of-the-line drone that comes equipped with a 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal for incredible stability. With its brushless motor and wind resistance, it can handle flights both indoors and outdoors. The GPS/GLONASS S-double system also makes for a stable. The easy-to-operate beginner mode will help those new to flying, while the intelligent flight modes in the app provide more experienced flyers with a range of options to choose from. The 50-minute battery life and included portable suitcase make this drone perfect for taking on any adventure. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.